Hi guys. All right, so we have been working on in math using a number line. We've worked on drawing a picture, using that tens frame to add and subtract by 0, 1, and 2. So we're going to continue working on that today. So go ahead and take out your whiteboards, your sock, and your marker. Put your hands on top. While you guys are doing that, I'm going to go ahead and click onto our PowerPoint. Okay, hopefully you guys are seeing the same thing that I am seeing. So we're going to call on a friend to go ahead and count by 10, starting on 13 all the way to 113. So go ahead, Miss Simon, and call on an awesome friend. All right, sounds like you did a great job. So let's go ahead and do this together. 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 103, 113. And what do you notice in that pattern? Go ahead and raise a hand and pause me. Yes, that they all end in a 3. That's our ones number. And then what did you know about the tens number? Think about what Dalen told us. What do you notice about that tens number? Okay, perfect. That tens number is changing. It's going from a 1 to a 2 to a 3. Okay, so we're going to, I'm not sure where I went. That's okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and engage. I want you guys to think about what you see on this log. So go ahead and pause me and talk about what you see. Okay, hopefully you guys might have said that I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ants. You guys might have said I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 eyes. So remember, even though I do want you guys to talk about what you are seeing, we want to make sure it's math related. Okay, we don't want to just say, oh, the ant is waving hello. We want to talk about what it's doing in math terms. So what did we notice about that picture? What are we wondering? So again, let's talk about those math terms. So what are we going to wonder thinking of a math problem in here with the ants? So you guys can go ahead and pause me and think of some things that might be coming to the ants or ants might be leaving. So go ahead. All right, so you guys might have said, oh, I wonder, will 4 more ants come? Or you might be wondering, will 3 ants leave? So those are things that we can talk about. Those are our math numbers that we could talk about when we're wondering. Okay, so we're gonna find out what's happening to those ants. So 7 ants, which is what we counted earlier, are on a log. 2 ants run away to play with their friends. How many ants are still left on the log? So I want you guys to go ahead and use your whiteboards and solve that problem. There were 7 ants. You might want to draw 7 circles. 2 ants ran away. So you're going to decide, am I adding more or am I crossing them out? And then how many ants are left on that log? So go ahead, friends, and make sure to write your equation to go with your picture. Make sure you flip over your whiteboard. Remember, Miss Simonton will say 1, 2, 3, put your marker down. Then she'll say 1, 2, 3, show me what you know. And she'll walk around. All right, so it looks like you did a great job. You did 7 minus 2 equals 5. And you crossed out those 2 that went away. So we're just going to go ahead and look right here where it says they have 7 ants to represent. We know that it's not art class. We don't draw ants. We draw circles to represent them. So they're going to replace it with the counters. And they're going to go ahead and put them in that tens frame. Okay, and then they're going to cross out 2 of them. They're saying, goodbye, I went away. All right, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left, just like you guys said. All right, we can also represent this on a number line. So go ahead and wipe your boards down. And remember, we always start with a 0 on the number line. So go ahead and draw a line in the middle of your whiteboard. So you're going to start with 0, finger space, 1, finger space, 2, finger space, 3, finger space, 4, finger space, 5, finger space. Remember, you want it all on that same line. So go ahead all the way to the number 8. You don't need to go past that. So you can pause me while you guys are doing your work. All right, great job. Looks like those number lines look fantastic. So we're going to start on the number 7. So please make sure you have a dot on 7. Now, since this was a takeaway problem because 2 ants left the log, we are going, you guys decide, are we going to go up to a bigger number or are we going to go down to a smaller number? So go ahead and raise your hand and tell Miss Simonton what way you think we're going to go on that number line. Okay, yes, we are going to go down because when we subtract, our numbers get smaller. So we're going to start on 7 and we're going to go down 2 because 2 left. Okay, so they're just starting on 7 like we did, and now they're going to go down, and you're going to see those, there they go. And you're going to see the arrows in a second, those yellow arrows. They went down 2 and they landed on 5. So it's exactly what we were supposed to do. All right, go ahead and wipe those boards, sit straight and tall in your learning position, and we're going to practice some more. Sorry guys, they're still, all right. You're going to find the difference. Remember that difference is that vocabulary word, which means the answer of a subtraction problem. And you guys are going to make another number line all by yourself. Remember, we always start with 0. You only need to go to 5 on your number line. So you're going to put 0 space, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5. Okay, perfect. And if you need to pause me while you guys are still working on that, you can. All right, this time I'm not going to give you any hint, and either is Miss Simonton. You're going to do this all by yourself. Go ahead, 4 minus 1. And when you guys are done, flip it over. Miss Simonton will give you a little bit of time, and she'll say 1, 2, 3, markers down. You're going to put them down. Good job, Noah and Bryson. Then 1, 2, 3, show me what you know. All right, go ahead and solve that problem. All right, it looks like you guys did a fabulous job. You put your dot on 4, and then you went down, because you know that it was takeaways. We want to go to a smaller number, and you landed on 3. So proud of you guys. All right, so here we go. We're going to wipe those boards down. We're going to find the difference of 3 minus 0. Again, we always start on 0 on our number line. So draw a straight line. You're going to put 0 space, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4. You only have to go to number 4. You don't need to go to all the way to 10. Okay, go ahead. Excuse me, you're going to solve that problem, 3 minus 0. When you're done, markers down, and then you'll show her what you know when she's ready for you. You can pause me. Okay, perfect. So we knew that we needed to start on 3. And if I go down 0, how do I go down 0? Oh, that means I'm not going to make any jumps. I'm going to stay right there. So the answer is 3. And we've talked about that before. So if I had 3 fingers and I add no fingers to them, 0 fingers, I still have 3. The same thing goes for subtraction. If I have 3 fingers and I subtract 0 fingers, I don't take any away, I still have 3. So we've talked about that number 0 before. Great job. I thought I might trick you, but you guys are too smart for me. All right, go ahead and wipe those boards down again. All right, you guys are going to make another number line, and we're going to do 8 minus 2. So go ahead and draw that straight line. You guys are getting really good at this. Remember, we always start on 0. So 0, space, 1, space, 2, space, 3, space, 4, space, 5, space. You're going to go all the way to 10. You're going to solve this problem all by yourself. 8 minus 2. All right, great job, guys. It looks like a lot of you guys got to share. A lot of you had the same idea. And 8 minus 2 is 6. So super proud of you guys. You started on 8 and you went down 2. All right, this is our last one. Use the number line to help you find the difference 7 minus 2. So again, wipe your boards down, start with the number 0. You're going to go all the way to the number 10. Make sure you don't write too big and not too small because you want to be able to make those jumps. And you're going to, I almost gave you a hint. 7 minus 2, all by yourself. Go ahead, friends. You can pause me. Okay, great job. So you're going to start on 7 and you're going to go down 2. 1, 2, and you land on 5. Wonderful. All right, so I think what it's, yep, we're all done. So what you guys are going to do, I'm just trying to stop, there we go, you can see me. And what you guys are going to do now is your math worksheet. Miss Simonton will give you the directions for it, and you guys just need to complete that. And that is your last math assignment for this week. All right, have a fabulous weekend. Have fun, stay safe. I will see you guys soon.